The deposit's paid, instalments agreed, now the open road beckons for you to drive off into the sunset. Through no fault of your own, the unthinkable could, and does, occasionally happen. Accidents and theft are sadly a reality, so making sure you're prepared for the worst is a smart move. If your car is written off through theft or accident, your insurance policy may only pay for part of the original purchase price. That's where our gap insurance can help. It fills the shortfall between the insurance settlement and the amount you originally paid, the cost for a replacement, or the outstanding finance, depending on what cover you have with us. It really isn't worth leaving it to chance.